Imagine the most intricate and powerful computer ever designed, the human brain. Now delve deeper into the fascinating world of neuroscience, where two interconnected fields, neuroanatomy and neurophysiology, converge to unravel the mysteries of this extraordinary organ. Neuroanatomy, the study of the nervous system structure and organization, lays the groundwork for understanding how each component fits within this complex system. Neurophysiology, on the other hand, delves into the functional properties of these structures, exploring how they communicate and interact to generate thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Just as a map guides us through unfamiliar territory, neuroanatomy provides the roadmap to the nervous system's intricate pathways. From the majestic folds of the cerebral cortex to the delicate branches of peripheral nerves, this field maps out the physical connections that allow for communication within the body. But the map is just the beginning. To truly grasp the brain's capabilities, we need neurophysiology, which breathes life into the anatomical structures. It delves into the electrical impulses that zip along neurons, the chemical messengers that bridge the gaps between them, and the intricate neural networks that orchestrate everything from a simple reflex to a complex symphony of thoughts. Neuroanatomy is the study of the nervous system's structure, providing a detailed map of its intricate organization. At the helm of this complex system is the central nervous system, comprising the brain and spinal cord. The brain, the command center of the body, is responsible for processing sensory information, initiating movement, and controlling vital functions. The cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, governs higher-level cognitive functions such as language, memory, and reasoning. Beneath the cerebrum lies the cerebellum, responsible for coordinating movement and balance, ensuring smooth and precise actions. The brainstem, connecting the brain to the spinal cord, controls essential functions like breathing and heart rate, ensuring our survival. Extending from the brainstem, the spinal cord serves as a crucial communication pathway between the brain and the rest of the body. Beyond the central nervous system lies the peripheral nervous system, encompassing all the nerves that extend from the spinal cord to the rest of the body. The peripheral nervous system acts as a communication network, relaying sensory information from the body to the central nervous system and carrying motor commands from the central nervous system to muscles and glands. Neurophysiology unravels the language of the nervous system, delving into the electrical and chemical signals that enable communication within this intricate network. Neurons, the fundamental units of the nervous system, are specialized cells that transmit information through electrical impulses called action potentials. These electrical signals travel rapidly along the neuron's axon, a long, slender projection that extends from the cell body. When an action potential reaches the end of an axon, it triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters into the synapse, the tiny gap between neurons. Neurotransmitters diffuse across the synapse and bind to receptors on the neighboring neuron, initiating a cascade of events that can either excite or inhibit the receiving neuron. This intricate dance of electrical and chemical signaling allows for rapid and precise communication between neurons, forming the foundation of all our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. By integrating knowledge from both neuroanatomy and neurophysiology, scientists and clinicians can gain a comprehensive understanding of how the nervous system functions in both health and disease. This integrated approach is crucial for developing new diagnostic tools and treatments for neurological disorders. For example, understanding the anatomical pathways involved in movement control is essential for developing therapies for Parkinson's disease, a neurodegenerative disorder that affects movement. Similarly, knowing how neurotransmitters function in the brain is critical for developing effective antidepressants and antipsychotics. The integration of neuroanatomy and neurophysiology is not limited to understanding diseases. It also plays a crucial role in developing technologies that interface with the brain, such as brain-computer interfaces. These devices hold the potential to restore lost function in individuals with paralysis or other neurological impairments. As our understanding of the brain continues to grow, so too will the potential for developing new and innovative treatments for neurological disorders.